What up guys, I'm back in a video and I'm gonna try this new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. They have new Blizzard. They have new Blizzards in Dairy Queen. I'm gonna try this one right here. And if you want to know what flavor, oops, let me get this one out. If you want to know what flavor this one is, this one is, it's going to be popping up right here so you know what that's actually the name. It's called Oreo Mud Pie. It looks delicious. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. I have to say it tastes good. Yeah, very good. That piece right here. This piece is Oreo. Listen. Guys, I'm gonna have it here, so guys, don't forget to hit these buttons. Oh yeah, so guys, bye.